this is Kayla from the future tuning in. As you guys can see, these are my strip lashes that I made. Hold on. Yes, honey, I did these myself, my own strip lashes. Shout out to Beauty7 for sending me the tools and the supplies needed to create this beautiful look with these lashes. Okay, so I'm not gonna ramble anymore. We're gonna get straight into this video. Y'all gonna see Kayla from the present in that beginning clip. So if she be like, hey, KDiani here, what they do with that, you know what I'm saying? That's Kayla from the present. This is Kayla from the future. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani, and welcome back to the channel. You know, I'm back with the videos, and as titled, today I'm going to show you guys how to create your own DIY lash strips. So first things first, I already created one lash. I created one lash already. This is what she looks like. And the products I'm going to be using today are from Beauty7. I did create an unboxing video with all of the products that they sent me to create these lashes. So make sure you guys go check that video out. But the only products and like tools that I'm going to be using from their box is the glue, their tweezer, their spoolie, their like mascara wand, their individual lashes, their 3D volume lashes, and their 10D volume lashes. And then I went on ahead and I have a mannequin head because I am practicing how to do individual lashes. So this was perfect that I had this mannequin head. And I also went on ahead and went on Amazon and purchased these packs of strip lashes. Now I'm not just going to use one individual strip, I'm going to be doubling it up because I want the lashes to appear full. And also what you might need is some tape, like eyelash extension tape. And the reason why you're going to do that is so that you can lift up the top layer of the lashes so that you can work with the bottom, or vice versa. Okay, so you want to place the mannequin head facing the same way you're facing, so this way. This is the only set of tweezers that they gave me. These are the fine tip straight tweezers, but I have my own tweezers, the curved ones, so that they can help me with like moving around and where to place the individual lash. So this is what they look like. And these are the silk lashes that I'm going to be using. They're all the same length, they're 15 millimeters. So this one is just gonna be like the same length all around. Okay, so like I said, you can find these strip lashes on Amazon. And I'm going to be doubling up on it. Okay, so then once you have both of the lashes put together, just go ahead and give it like a brush. Okay, and then this is how it looks just with those. See the difference? Like this is full and this is like very light and not full. So in one of their packages they did give me the glue rings, so I'm going to go ahead and take one out. Okay, so I'm going to be working with the bottom layer first. So I'm just going to cut me a piece of tape and like separate the top from the bottom. So I'm just going to be placing tape on the top lashes. Okay, So then these are going to be out of your way, and then you'll only be able to work with the bottom. So I'll also be working with these, the 10D volume lashes. This is what they look like. Also the 3D volume lashes. All you're gonna need is like one drop, because a little goes a long way. So that's basically all you need. And now we're about to start. So basically what I do, you want to hold the one that you're gonna be opening the lash with your non-dominant hand, and then this hand, your right hand, your dominant hand, I just hold it like this, my index and my thumb with my middle finger beneath it, and then you're gonna just place it as close to the lash line as possible, but don't place it on the lash line. And that's basically all you're doing, just opening, isolating one lash, opening, isolating one lash, opening, isolating one lash. It took me a little minute to get the hang of, working with the non-dominant hand, but it becomes very, very easy just to hold with both of them. So first, what I'm going to be using is the 3D volume lashes, just so I can fill it up, make it full. Then I'll go in with the 10D volume. And one thing to keep in mind, you don't want to work in the same spot all the time. You kind of want to like hop around so that like the glue doesn't get stuck together to the other lashes while one lash is drying. And also just so you can like mix it up and make it different. Alright y'all, so I finally finished the lashes. It took me like 2 hours to finish, and I actually went on ahead and filled in the other one a little bit more. The individual lashes that they sent me, they were all 15 millimeters. So if you see like a longer length on the lashes is because I added 20s like in the front, on the outer corner, in the center, and a little bit before the inner corner of the eyelashes. So I just went ahead and added a little pizzazz to the lashes, but they look really, really good, and now I'm gonna put them on, so I'm excited. Alright y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed that video mini tutorial. It wasn't really as in-depth as I should have been, but you know, I'm not really, you know, that knowledgeable of doing lashes. I'm just now getting into learning how to do lashes, so I'm glad I was able to show you guys that anyone is capable of creating their own lashes, or you know, creating a new, or finding out or learning a new skill. You know what I'm saying? Everything that I use is going to be down in the description box. Once again, shout out to Beauty7 for sending me all the tools and supplies needed to create this beautiful look. And you know, if you want to create your own lashes, you can definitely do it. This is my 4th day wearing these lashes. Obviously at night I take my lashes off, clean my face, do whatever I gotta do, but this is my 4th day putting on these lashes. And what I can honestly say is, you know, when you buy strip lashes at places, like, they kind of lose their curl and stuff like that. The curls just stay, and like, it looks like I have eyelash extensions, but I don't. They're strip eyelash extensions. But anyways, like I said, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Most of all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, peace.